Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Online Store, and if you are new to this channel, I'm so happy to have you here. Please kindly subscribe to this channel and make sure you give this video a like. So the website I want to show you on this video is what we call WinTop. So here in WinTop, they say you can make money online just by watching videos. So if you watch this particular video, you earn 40 cents. If you watch this one here, you earn 28 cents, and you can watch a maximum of 5 videos per day. So after you watch 5 videos, you have to wait till another 24 hours before you can watch videos. So you can see here I've watched 51 videos and I have a balance of $30.27 available in my balance. What you need to do is for you to sign up with your Gmail account or with your email account and create an account within WinTop. Watch videos, you start earning from this platform. So guys, what are you doing? So start making money now with WinTop. So let's try to withdraw our money from this platform and see how everything works. So what you need to do is for you to come to my account, then come to withdraw. So by the time you want to withdraw, you can see their payment method. So they say here, if you want to withdraw through Western Union, you have to have a minimum of $100 before you can withdraw. And if you want to withdraw through PayPal, a minimum of $100. Through WebMoney, minimum of $100. Payoneer, a minimum of 80, 100 and 150. Let me explain something to you. If you come across this particular website, someone promoting this website, please just sweep away, because let me tell you what you don't know. By the time you continue watching your ads, watching videos, and you see that your balance is getting almost to your withdrawal threshold, the maximum videos will start reducing, and your dollars, your coins will start reducing. So it will now be difficult for you to get to this particular amount for you to withdraw. So this website is not a legit website, because you keep wasting your time watching videos, keep wasting your time, your data watching videos, and at the end of the day you will not be able to withdraw from this platform. And another thing you can see here, the people here, they are spamming people with ads. So everything here, if you are using Android, sorry for you, because you won't, by the time you just try to click anything, is ads that will display. So they are just using this particular platform to spam you and make money for themselves through the ads that are being displayed on this platform. So guys, if you see anywhere, anytime someone promoting this website to you, just forget about it. It's not a legit website. So I came across it, someone introduced it to me on YouTube, and I said let me try it. So by the time I tried, I see this platform just like this. It looks so spammy with ads, and I went to Google, to YouTube, everywhere, anywhere I knew I can go to be able to find out if this website is really paying. So the good numbers of people that I came across, they told me that this website is not a legit, and I can tell you that that is true. Number one, the minimum withdrawal cannot be this. So how will you watch videos and watch videos and watch videos? How many videos will you watch for you to get to this? Secondly, the whole place is spamming with ads. So this website, I don't think is legit. So thank you for watching, and if you have any question, you can drop it in the comments box below, and make sure you subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so. Make sure you share this information to other of your friends. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.